Grow eggplants, like a pro, a beginner's guide to a bountiful harvest. Ever dreamed of biting into a perfectly grilled, homegrown eggplant? Imagine the rich, smoky flavor, knowing you nurtured it from a tiny seed. This video is your step-by-step guide to growing eggplants at home, even if you're a complete beginner. Selecting the right eggplant variety is crucial for success. Consider your climate, available space, and personal preferences. Some varieties thrive in cooler climates, while others are better suited for warmer regions. Black Beauty is a classic choice, known for its large, dark purple fruit. Japanese eggplants are slender, prolific, and offer a slightly sweeter flavor. Do your research and choose a variety that suits your needs. Starting seeds indoors gives you a head start on the growing season. Begin 6-8 weeks before the last expected frost in your area. This allows the seedlings to develop a strong root system before transplanting. Use a seed starting mix specifically formulated for seedlings. These mixes are lightweight and provide excellent drainage. Avoid using garden soil, as it can be too heavy and may contain pathogens. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Use a spray bottle to gently mist the soil surface. A heat mat can also help speed up germination. Alternatively, you can purchase seedlings from a local garden center. This is a convenient option if you don't have the time or space to start seeds indoors. Choose healthy-looking seedlings with strong stems and vibrant green leaves. Timing is key when transplanting your eggplant seedlings. Wait until the danger of frost has passed and the soil has warmed up. Eggplants are sensitive to cold temperatures. Eggplants need at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Choose a location in your garden that receives plenty of sunshine. This will ensure healthy growth and abundant fruit production. A well-draining location is essential for healthy growth. Eggplants don't like to sit in soggy soil. Amend heavy clay soil with compost or other organic matter to improve drainage. Space plants about 2-3 feet apart. This allows for adequate air circulation and prevents overcrowding. Overcrowding can lead to disease problems. Plant the seedlings at the same depth as they were in the pot. Avoid planting them too deep, as this can lead to stem rot. Gently loosen the roots before planting to encourage them to spread out. Consistent moisture is crucial, especially during hot weather. Eggplants need regular watering to thrive. Check the soil moisture regularly and water when the top inch feels dry. Water deeply at the base of the plant. Avoid wetting the leaves, as this can encourage fungal diseases. Deep watering encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil. Regular fertilization is important for healthy growth and fruit production. Use a balanced fertilizer or compost tea every 2-3 weeks. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer label. Eggplants prefer rich, well-draining soil. Amend your soil with compost or aged manure before planting. This will provide essential nutrients and improve soil structure. Soil pH is also important. Eggplants prefer a slightly acidic soil pH of 6.0 to 6.8. You can test your soil pH with a soil testing kit. Regular inspection is key to preventing pest and disease problems. Check your plants regularly for signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is crucial for effective treatment. Common pests that attack eggplants include aphids, flea beetles, and spider mites. These pests can damage leaves and stunt growth. Look for signs of infestation, such as yellowing leaves or webbing. Use insecticidal soap or neem oil to control pests. These are natural and effective options for controlling many common garden pests. Apply the insecticide according to the label instructions. Ensure good air circulation to prevent diseases. Space plants properly and prune lower leaves to improve airflow. Good air circulation helps to dry the leaves quickly after rain or watering. Avoid overwatering to prevent diseases. Overwatering can create a favorable environment for fungal diseases. Water deeply but infrequently, and allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Remove any infected leaves promptly. This will help to prevent the spread of disease to other parts of the plant. Dispose of infected leaves in the trash, not in your compost pile. Harvest eggplants when they are firm and the skin is glossy. The size of the eggplant will depend on the variety. Overripe eggplants will become soft and bitter. Use a sharp knife or pruning shears to cut the stem. Leave about an inch of stem attached to the eggplant. This will help to prevent rot. The more you harvest, the more your plants will produce. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to continue producing fruit. Don't be afraid to harvest eggplants even if they are on the smaller side. Prune the lower leaves to improve air circulation. This will help to prevent fungal diseases and allow more sunlight to reach the developing fruit. Remove any yellowing or damaged leaves. Consider using a trellis or staking to support the plants. Eggplants can become quite heavy with fruit, and the stems can break under the weight. A trellis or stake will provide support and prevent the plants from falling over. Growing eggplants is a rewarding experience. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy fresh, delicious eggplants all season long. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own homegrown produce. Now you have the knowledge to grow your own delicious eggplants. Don't be intimidated. Even beginners can achieve a bountiful harvest. Start small, learn as you go, and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Your support helps us create more gardening content. We appreciate you watching. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We're constantly adding new videos to help you grow your best garden ever. Don't miss out on our latest content.